press something.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಸತ್ಯ? ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಡು?
Increase ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ.
Binduji, you're also made as a co-host. As required, you can use that. So
Yeah, I have sent the list to you all.
yeah, we have that information. We are
Okay, okay. Yeah,
Thank you very much. Yeah.
sure, sure. I will also try. If they are not, I'll also try. Yeah.
Hari Om Ramji
Hari Om Ramji, Janaki.
Hari Om. and Suganya ji.
Hari Om, everybody. Thank you, Balaji. Hari Om.
We have 30 families 5 minutes before the commencement of the program. Really appreciate all of you for joining.
Hari Om Rohini ji.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
So we need to have puja all the time.
Oh, so
So that
I think, yeah, we can make every day Gurupadaka Puja 10 minutes, right?
yeah.
Chant Gurupadaka Stotram and do Gurupadaka Puja every day. We will be blessed. by
Yeah, the more number of people participate in chanting, they all will join soon.
Yeah.
Binduji, that is right. That's what I was about to tell. If we have
Yeah.
to chant, then we have to be beforehand, right?
Yeah.
As we are doing Gita Dhyanam this year, Hari was talking like we should take up Gurupadaka Stotram next year every Sunday. Common
Yeah.
time chanting.
Yeah. Gurupadaka Stotram. Yes. Yeah. Ananta Samsara. Yeah.
If you chant that with the nice vibrations, good meditation.
That's true.
Happy Mother's Day to all the moms.
Happy Mother's
Thank
Day to
you.
you too.
Hari Om.
After the puja, are we switching to a different link?
No, we are going to stay here, same line.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So though the agenda has given 2 times link for the Gurupadaka Puja and adult class, it is one and the same. Probably, Balaji, we need to make this announcement after the puja for adult class.
Yep.
Please be back on the same link.
Yep.
It's a good point. Thank you, Janaki ji.
Uh-huh.
Janaki ji always makes good points.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Noticed.
Wow, beautiful altars.
Yeah. Beautiful.
So we have 2 main padakas also, right?
Hmm.
Gayatri ji has one there and
Yeah, we are going to come up with mine also very soon. So,
Yeah. I have one, but I am not. We did puja, but I'm not going to do now. I will just want to listen.
great. We have 40 participants so far. Yeah, so it's a 2:28. Gayatri ji, just want to make sure, can you check whether you have all your Tapovanam class puja reading students are available? Please call out and make sure everybody is available.
1 second.
please put your name correctly. If you have any code number for your nickname, please change it to correct name so we can spotlight it in any day.
And also request all the Tapovanam class children and the chanting persons of Guru Padaka Stotram, Tapovan Shatkam, please share your video so that it's easy for us to identify and spotlight quickly. Not just before your turn, but please share your video throughout the program. Really, please. Thank you.
You mean turn on the video?
Yes, please.
Turn on the video, please. Yes. Everyone, if you can do that, that will be great.
Guru Padaka Puja, Gurudev wants to see all of us.
Yeah, can I call on the names?
Yeah, I think just make sure all the students are available. So yeah, I think it's 2:30. We should be able to start in next couple of seconds. Gayatri ji, if you are ready, all the children are available. then-
Yeah, just I will call upon them so that they can say they're there.
Okay.
Aryaman, just you can put the virtual hand.
Or ask them to
Tanya,
Here.
Samir, Samir,
She said put the virtual hand on.
yeah.
I'm also here. I couldn't find the virtual hand.
No, I think they should call out instead of virtual hand. You cannot keep searching the virtual hand.
Yeah, you can unmute and answer probably.
What happened to this list?
Gayatri ji, you are on mute, Gayatri ji.
In the mute session.
No, we are able to hear you. Okay.
Okay.
But if you call all 20 students, that may gonna take long time though. But you are already 2:31.
Yeah, so if, how can we make sure then? Do
Uh,
I need to
some-
go to the participants list and check?
If somebody is not responding to the next turn, you take over, Gayatri ji. Just come fill up someone.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, Samir, Srimahi, Shruti, Akshad, Vishnu, Tanirika, Pranav, Srijan,
Here.
Vishnu. That's all.
ಹೌದಾ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬರ್ಲಾ
Everybody is there.
I'm sure it's 2:32. I think that's.
Yeah, I think we should start. That's what I was telling.
Yeah. All others mute yourself. Let the pujaris take over.
Yeah. Aryaman? Please unmute and start your.
I'm here. I'll have to start. Om Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. Today, we are celebrating the 105th birthday of our dear Pujya Gurudev, Swami Chinmayananda, followed by Mother's Day celebrations. The glory of the Paduka Puja, worshipping the sandals of the teacher. The Guru, our spiritual teacher, is the one who imparts to us the highest knowledge of the self. He stands on the strength of his knowledge. His sandals represent the knowledge that is his unique asset. Therefore, we show reverence to the knowledge and the one who imparts the knowledge when we conduct a Paduka Puja. As we guide you all through the puja, please do the offerings at your own altars and join along with the chantings you know while being on mute. To begin the puja, please light the lamp first. Shubham karoti kalyanam arogyam dhana sampadaha shatru buddhi vinashaya deepa jyoti namostute. Achamanam, purification. While I chant this mantra, sprinkle water over yourself and the altar. Apavitra pavitro va, sarvavastam katopi va, yasmaret pundari kaksham, Sabahyabhyantara Suchihi. Prarthana. Invoke Ganapati, Saraswati, and Guru. Shuklam Baradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasanna Vadanam Dhyaye Sarva Vignopashantaye. Om Mahaganapataye Namaha. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Guru Brahma Guru Vishnuhu Guru Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Satgurave Namaha. Gantanadam. Remove bad thoughts, ring in good thoughts. Agamartam tu devanam, gamanartam tu rakshasam, kurve gantaravam tattva, tatra devatavanalanjanam.
Sankalpa mamopatta samasta duritакshaya dvara Shri Chinmaya Sadguru Swami Prityartham Vardhamanayam Punya Kale Asya Saha Kutumbasya Kshema Sthairya Virya Vijaya Ayuhu Arogya Aishwaryanam Abhivruddhyartham Dharmartha Kama Moksha Chaturvidha Phala Purushartha Siddhyartham Shri Chinmaya Sadguru Prasadena Jnana Siddhyartham Shodashopachara Pujam Karishyamaha. Dhyanam. Meditate on the Shri Gurudev's Padakas. Chinmayam Jagadishwaram Pranamamyaham Sadgurum Dhyayami.
Ata Avahanam. Invoke his presence. Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Avahayami. Ata Asanam. Offer a seat. Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Asanam Samarpayami.
Padyam. Please wash the feet. Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Padyam Samarpayami. Arghyam. Offer water. Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Arghyam Samarpayami.
Achamaniyam. Offer a sweet drink. Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Achamaniyam Samarpayami. Snanam. Offer bath. We will symbolically wash the padakas. Let us recite the Shri Guru Stotram as the padakas are washed. Akanda Mandalakaram Vyaptam Yena Charachayam Tatpadam Darshitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurummilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Reva Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Stavaram Jangamam Yaptam Yatkinchit Sacharacharam Tatpadam Darshitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Chinmayam Vyapiyat Sarvam Trailokyam Sacharacharam Tatpadam Darshitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Sarvashruti Shiroratna Virajita Padambujaha Vedantam Suryo Yaha Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Chaitanya Shashvata Shantaha Vyomatito Niranjanaha Bindunada Kalatitaha Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Jnanashakti Samarudaha Tattvamala Vibhushitaha Bhukti Mukti Pradata Cha Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Aneka Janma Samprapta Karma Bandha Vidahine Atma Jnana Pradhanena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
शोषणं भवसिन्धोश्च ज्ञापनं सारसम्पदः गुरोः पादोदकं सम्यक् तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः.
गुरोरधिकं तत्त्वं न गुरोरधिकं तपः तत्त्वज्ञानात् परं नास्ति तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. मन्नाथ श्रीजगन्नाथ मद्गुरु श्रीजगद्गुरुः मदात्मा सर्वभूतात्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः.
गुरुरादिरनादिश्च गुरुः परमदैवतं गुरोः परतरं नास्ति तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः.
त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव. Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Snanam Samarpayami. Please wipe the padukas with the clean cloth. Vastram, offer clothes. Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Vastram Samarpayami. Upavitam, offer accessories. Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Upavitam Samarpayami.
Gandham, offer sandalwood paste and kumkumam. Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Divya Parimala Gandhan Dharayami. Gandhasyo Pariharitra Kunkumam Samarpayami. Akshatan, offer akshata. Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Akshatan Samarpayami. Archana, offer flowers as we sing the glory of the Guru. Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha, Pushpani Samarpayami, Pushpaihi Supujayami. Now let us chant the 108 names of Sri Gurudev accompanied by Archana with rose petals to the Padukas. Om Ajaya Namaha, Om Avyayaya Namaha, Om Avinashine Namaha, Om Achintyaya Namaha, Om Apremayaya Namaha, Om Advitiyaya Namaha, Om Aniketaya Namaha, Om Anushasana Priyaya Namaha, Om Antasakshine Namaha, Om Antaryamine Namaha, Om Anandaya Namaha, Om Atmaswarupaya Namaha, Om Angla Bhasha Vituttamaya Namaha, Om Ishvaraya Namaha, Om Udara Hridayaya Namaha, Om Utsahavardakaya Namaha, Om Ekasmai Namaha, Om Onkara Vide Namaha.
Om Karuna Sagaraya Namaha. Om Karmaparayana Namaha. Om Kalatitaya Namaha. Om Kaivalya Swarupaya Namaha. Om Kritatmane Namaha. Om Kritakrityaya Namaha. Om Gita Jnana Yagna Pracharakaya Namaha. Om Gurave Namaha. Om Gunatitaya Namaha. Om Grantrakrite Namaha. Om Chinmayaya Namaha. Om Chinna Samshayaya Namaha. Om Jagadatmane Namaha. Om Jagat Sakshine Namaha. Om Janapriyaya Namaha. Om Jitendriyaya Namaha. Om Jiva Brahmaikya Vide Namaha. Om Jivan Muktaya Namaha.
Om Jirnamandirodharakaya Namaha, Om Tapovana Shishyaya Namaha, Om Tapasvine Namaha, Om Tapanashanaya Namaha, Om Tirthaswarupaya Namaha, Om Tejasvine Namaha, Om Dehatitaya Namaha, Om Dvandvatitaya Namaha, Om Dridhanishchayaya Namaha, Om Dharma Samsthapakaya Namaha, Om Dhimate Namaha, Om Dhiraya Namaha, Om Dhairyapradaya Namaha, Om Narayanaya Namaha, Om Nijanandaya Namaha, Om Nirapekshaya Namaha, Om Nisprahaya Namaha, Om Nirupamaya Namaha.
Om Vikalpaya Namaha. Om Nityaya Namaha. Om Niranjanaya Namaha. Om Paramaya Namaha. Om Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Pavanaya Namaha. Om Pavakaya Namaha. Om Purushottamaya Namaha. Om Prasannatmane Namaha. Om Phalasaktirahitaya Namaha. Om Bahubhaktaya Namaha. Om Bandhamochakaya Namaha. Om Brahmanishtaya Namaha. Om Brahmaparaya Namaha. ॐ भयनाशनाय नमः ॐ भारतगौरवाय नमः ॐ भूम्ने नमः ॐ महावाक्योपदेशकाय नमः
ॐ महर्षये नमः ॐ मधुरस्वभावाय नमः ॐ मनोहराय नमः ॐ महात्मने नमः ॐ मेधाविने नमः ॐ यतात्मने नमः ॐ यज्ञकृते नमः ॐ लोकप्रसिद्धाय नमः ॐ वाग्मिने नमः ॐ विभवे नमः ॐ विनोदप्रियाय नमः ॐ विनयशीलाय नमः ॐ वीतरागाय नमः ॐ वेदान्तवेद्याय नमः ॐ शान्ताय नमः ॐ शान्तिप्रदाय नमः ॐ शाश्वतराकाय नमः ॐ शुद्धसत्त्वाय नमः
ॐ श्रुतिपारगाय नमः ॐ श्रोत्रियाय नमः ॐ संन्यासिने नमः ॐ समबुद्धये नमः ॐ सच्चिदानन्दाय नमः ॐ सर्वहितचिन्तकाय नमः ॐ सत्यसङ्कल्पाय नमः ॐ सन्तुष्टाय नमः ॐ साधवे नमः ॐ सुमनसे नमः ॐ सुहृदे नमः ॐ स्वयं ज्योतिषे नमः ॐ स्थितप्रज्ञाय नमः ॐ क्षमाशीलाय नमः ॐ ज्ञानमूर्तये नमः ॐ ज्ञानयोगिने नमः ॐ ज्ञानतृप्ताय नमः ॐ नित्यशुद्धबुद्धमुक्तस्वरूपाय नमः ॐ नित्यशुद्धबुद्धमुक्तस्वरूपाय नमः ॐ नित्यशुद्धबुद्धमुक्तस्वरूपाय नमः ॐ श्रीचिन्मयसद्गुरवे नमः Stotram. We will now chant the Guru Paduka Stotram and Tapavan Shatkam as an offering to Guru Parampara.
अनंत संसार समुद्र तारा नौकाय
One second. Yeah, sorry. Go ahead, Kishorji. You can start.
अनंत संसार समुद्र तारा नौकायिताभ्यां गुरुभक्तिदाभ्यां वैराग्य साम्राज्यद पूजनाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां
कवित्ववाराशिनिशाकराभ्यां दौर्भाग्यदावां बुधमालिकाभ्यां दूरीकृतानम्रविपत्तिभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां
नताययोः श्रीपतितां समीयुः कदाचिदभ्याशुदरिद्रवर्याः मूकाश्च वाचस्पतितां हि ताभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्याम्
नालीकनिकाशपदाहृदाभ्यां नानाविमोहादिनिवारिकाभ्यां नमज्जनाभीष्टथति प्रथाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्याम्
नृपाली मौली व्रजरत्नकान्ति सरिद्विराज जशकन्यकाभ्यां मृपत्वदाम्यां नतलोकपङ्क्ते नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्याम्
पापान्धकारार्कपरम्पराभ्यां तापत्रयाहीन्द्रखगेश्वराभ्यां जाड्याधिसंशोषणवडवाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्याम्
समाधिषट्क पदवैभवाभ्यां समाधिदान मृतदीक्षिताभ्यां रमादवाङ्गी स्थिरभक्तिदाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्याम्
स्वार्चापराणाम् अखिलेष्टदाभ्यां स्वाहा सहायक्ष धुरन्धराभ्यां स्वान्ताच्च भावप्रदपूजनाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्याम्
कामादिसर्प व्रजगारुडाभ्यां विवेकवैराग्यनिधिप्रदाभ्यां बोधप्रदाभ्यां द्रुतमोक्षदाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां हरि ओम।
श्री तपोवन षटकम् व्याप्तं जगद्येन चिदात्मभावत् रज्ज्वायता ह्रीचरां चरयत् संन्यास सर्वं च सदात्मभावे सोऽयं समस्तं च बभूवयस्तु निसङ्गनिर्मुक्तिपदं प्रपद्य ब्रह्मात्मभावेन विराजितो यः श्रीसौम्यकाशीशमहेश्वराय तस्मै नमः स्वामी तपोवनाय श्रीसौम्यकाशीशमहेश्वराय तस्मै नमः स्वामी तपोवनाय
अखण्डभावः शिवरूपतत्त्वः इति स्वभावः परमात्मसत्यः सत्यार्ष सत्यः सुधियैव गम्यः परप्रधानात् परमेश्वरो यः आद्यन्तहीनो निरपेक्षदीप्तिः स्वतः स्वरूपेण विपुल्लितो यः श्रीसौम्यकाशीश महेश्वराय तस्मै नमस्वामि तपोवनाय श्री सौम्यकाशीश महेश्वराय तस्मै नमस्वामि तपोवनाय
मन्तुन्न शक्यो मनसा कदाचिद् वक्तुन्न केनापि तथा न वाचा बोद्धुं च बुद्ध्यापि तथा न शक्यः बुद्ध्यादिसाक्षी खलु केवलो यः सर्वेन्द्रियातीतपदस्थितोऽपि सर्वेन्द्रियप्रेरयिता परो यः श्रीसौम्यकाशीश महेश्वराय तस्मै नमः स्वामी तपोवनाय श्रीसौम्यकाशीश महेश्वराय तस्मै नमः स्वामी तपोवनाय
शुद्धातिशुद्धं च सदा प्रबुद्धः विश्वेश्वरो विश्वपरः प्रसन्नः व्यापी परब्रह्मणि मोदमानः वेदान्तसार हृदयां शरण्यः एको वशी सर्वभूतादिवासः सर्वाधिपः सर्वजीवात्मको यः श्रीसौम्यकाशीश महेश्वराय तस्मै नमः स्वामी तपोवनाय श्रीसौम्यकाशीश महेश्वराय तस्मै नमः स्वामी तपोवनाय
अशब्दमस्पर्शमरूपावच तथा रसं नित्यमघन्तवच निरञ्जनं नित्यं निरीहमेकं बुद्धे परं निर्गुणशत्रुवं च गुह्यं गभीरं गगनोपमं पश्यन्ति निर्धूतमलायतीन्द्रः श्रीसौम्यकाशीश महेश्वराय तस्मै नमः स्वामी तपोवनाय श्रीसौम्यकाशीश महेश्वराय तस्मै नमः स्वामी तपोवनाय
तेजोमयं दिव्यममेय शक्तिं सनातनं शान्तमना अद्वैतमाश्चर्यमचिन्त्य रूपं परात्परं नित्यमनन्तमाध्यं ज्ञानप्रकाशेन विशुद्धसत्त्वः यं पश्यति स्वात्मनि चिन्त्यमानम् श्रीसौम्यकाशीश महेश्वराय तस्मै नमः स्वामी तपोवनाय श्रीसौम्यकाशीश महेश्वराय तस्मै नमः स्वामी तपोवनाय तस्मै नमः स्वामी तपोवनाय हरि ओम्
Pranav, go ahead.
Offer incense. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Dhupam Agrapayami. Deepam. Offer a lit lamp. Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Deepam Darshayami.
Naivedyam. Offer specially cooked food. Om Brahmarpanam Brahmahavihi Brahmagno Brahmanahutam Brahmaiva Tena Gantavyam Brahma Karma Samadhina. Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Yata Vihita Naivedyam Samarpayami. नैवेद्यानन्तरं कर्पूरताम्बूलं समर्पयामि.
मङ्गलनीराजनम् न तत्र सूर्यो भाति न चन्द्रतारकम् नेमा विद्युतो भान्ति कुतोऽयमग्निः तमेव भान्तमनुभाति सर्वं तस्य भासा सर्वमिदं विभाति. श्रीचिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः. मङ्गलनीराजनं समर्पयामि. आरति श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की दिव्य रूप मूर्ति करुणा की. आरति सद्गुरु की. चरणों में उनके शांति समाये. शरणागत की भ्रांति मिटाए. पाप ताप संताप हरण की. आरति श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की. आरति सद्गुरु की. वेद उपनिषद गीता को गाया. धर्म सनातन फिर से जगाया. शुद्ध नीति प्रीति शंकर की. आरति श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की. आरति सद्गुरु की. सिद्ध बारिकी तपो भूमि में नित्य विराजे गुरु हमारे. भक्त हृदय आनंद स्रोत की. आरति श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की. आरति सद्गुरु की. आरति सद्गुरु की. बोले श्री चिन्मयानंद महाराज की जय.
Mantra Pushpam. Offer flowers in conclusion. Shri Chinmaya Satgurave Namaha. Mantra Pushpam Samarpayami. Aparadha Kshamarpana.
Just a second. Just a second. Please show the Aarti to everybody.
Go ahead, Vishnu.
Aparadha Kshamarpana. Ask forgiveness for mistakes. Kayena vacha manasendriye va buddhyatmana va prakrite swabhavat. Karomi yat sakalam parasmai narayanayeeti samarpayami. Narayanayeeti samarpayami. Om Brahmarpanamastu. This concludes the Guru Paduka Puja. Now let us all chant Shanti Mantra. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayaha Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Om Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Hari Om. So beautiful, wonderful puja done by the Tapovanam children. Awesome. We all can feel the presence of Gurudev right here with us. And we have several padikas as well. So all of you do a good darshan. Now we'll quickly move on to the next, our first Guru for all of us. So we're going to have the celebrations for the first Guru in our life. So let's move on quickly to our Mother's Day celebrations. We'll start out with Harshini, because usually the Chinmayam children, they lead the celebrations. So especially the graduating children. So this is going to be their tribute to their parents and their mom especially. So let's move on with that. Go ahead, Harshini.
मातुराशिषा वन्दिता भुवि सन्ति नरो नन्दिता दिवि धारितोऽस्म्यहं सोदरे त्वया पालितोऽस्म्यहं स्वस्तने त्वया शिशुरहं यदा केलिलं पठाः न श्रुतं मया ते तदा वचाः. By mother's blessing alone, humans become worshipful in this world and happy in the other world. You maintained me in the womb and nourished me with your milk. In my childhood, being attached to toys, I did not heed your words.
Shikshane mama nachakada ruchi satvaya krita vadita mati balavartanam kashtadayakam manyase tuta dharshakaranam rogapidito yat kadapyaham sevase tada mamaharnisham. I had no interest in learning, but you created that in me and developed my intellect. Even though child's actions cause much pain, you look upon them as source of joy. Whenever I get sick, you nurse me day and night.
Vismaramyaham te katam kritam matkrite sada prema samyutam pashyasi gunam sarvadha mama avagunam tume nekshase katam iyamudata tvaicha vartate netaratra sa jagati drishyate. How can I ever forget all that is done by you with so much affection? You always see my virtues, but how come you never see my vices? This large-heartedness exists only in you, and it is not seen anywhere else in the world.
Dullabha nahe bandhava bhuvi janani dullabha tvatsama ai matrudevoyad bhavashutishchatat dravityadarat bhavayepyaham matari naro devamikshate sarvatopitam sahanirikshate. Relatives and friends are easy to find in the world, but it is indeed difficult to get a mother. I have heard, be devoted to mother as God, and I do follow the same. He who sees God in his own mother, he alone sees him everywhere as well.
Atamayarchanam bandhanam krutam
Tava cha kirtanam padasevanam janani tepyaham sarvadaruni bhaktirastune nischala tvai amba tvamaham pranatavan sada ashishasya tvam dehi me muda. Hence now I worship and salute you, sing your glories and serve your feet. O Mother, O remain ever indebted to you. May my devotion to you be firm and deep. O Mother, I remain ever prostrated before you. Give me gladly all your blessings. Hari Om.
Awesome. That concludes our Mother's Day celebrations as well. Beautiful. All of you, if your mom is there, offer a flower to her or your parents. And if they're not there with you, please think about them. And there are some debts we can never pay back. And this is one of them to our parents, especially to mom. And the last set of children, they are the graduating Chinmayam children. And their Tilak ceremony, maybe some of you know, it's on May 22nd, 3 p.m. If you can join, please join. And first of all, quickly, before I hand it over to Suganyaji and Satyaji, thank you for all of the Tapovam children for participating today. It was so beautiful, nice chanting, and Gayatriji and all of the parents, thank you for helping. And Gayatriji, wonderful, beautiful chanting, and appreciate it. And right after the adults chanting, excellent. And this is all our opportunity to get to see them close and to listen to them, one after the other. So blessed today. So please take this vibration with you, and we will continue with the same link. So you don't have to log off and log back in for the adult class. I know we are 5 minutes over. So with that, I'm going to quickly hand it over to Suganyaji and Satyaji.
Just 1 second, Balaji ji. Thanks to Harshini. She was the one who coordinated the Matrustavanam. She helped me coordinate Matrustavanam.
Awesome.
Thanks to
you, Harshini. And
thanks to all the adults who participated in Guru Paduka Stotram and Tapovan Shatakam. All did a good job.
Thank you, Binduji, for the coordination and for teaching everyone and taking the time. It takes quite a bit, and appreciate it.
Yeah, many thanks to all the Tapovanam students, everybody who offered their seva today. Really, everyone did a great job. Thanks to all parents. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Gurudev Jayanti. Thank you so much. I know they are really busy. Tapovanam students are really busy with assignments and everything, but they did a great job. Thank you.
Hari Om, I would like to convey thanks from all the seniors.
Harshini, you did a great job. All the Chinmayam kids, all of you, but they did wonderful chanting of Matrustavanam. Very nice, beautiful. It always brings tears to everybody's eyes whenever we listen to it. Hari Om. Balaji, anything else? Gayatri and Bindu did an amazing job training everybody, coordinating.
Satyaji, Satyaji, muted.
Satyaji became speechless.
No, you're still on mute, Satyaji. Still on mute. Sukanyaji, Satyaji, we are not able to hear you.
They are enjoying each other, whatever they are talking, but we can't hear either of them.
Okay, Neen Matar.
No, we didn't hear either of you.
Oh, Satyaji, we didn't hear you at all. It was on mute.
Both of you are muted, nothing was heard.
He praised everybody. Satya, ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. Yeah, I didn't talk. He was talking. So my words are not yet wasted. Anyway, Gurudev's presence, we felt it was wonderful puja. Credit goes to Binduji and Gayatriji and Harshini, everybody who did coordination very well, wonderful chanting. We are very proud of all of you chanting this and Samskrita shlokas. It is not easy and did a wonderful job. But one I want to do continuing with the same Gurudev's Jayanti, I have one birthday song for Pujya Gurudev composed by Pujya Guruji. I thought it may be there, but I am not. I may not do the great job, but I will try. I think I will share. Do I have the privilege? No, not that. Okay, I think I am not able to share that, but I will just chant. It was in one of the Tapovan Shetka. I know I have this.
You want me to project Tapan Shetkam second?
No, not Tapovan Prasad. Tapovan Prasad, I meant. But no, I will. Satya, it's okay. I will share that. I think I should be able to now. Can you all see?
Yes.
Okay. Guruji sang it with so much love and devotion to Pujya Gurudev. Janma Shubha Dine Tava He Sadguru Mudita Manasavai Tvam Namamahe Prarthayamahe Smaranamastute Madhura Prerakam Sarvada Hridi Bhaktirastu no निश्चला त्वयि ईश्वरे परे भक्तजनेऽपि जन्म शुभदिने तव हे सद्गुरो मुदिता मानसा वै त्वां नमामहे त्वां नमामहे. On this auspicious birthday of thine, O Gurudev, we bow down to thee with cheerful minds. We pray that this sweet and inspiring remembrance ever be in our hearts. May we have abiding devotion for thee, for the Supreme Lord and his devotees as well. Hari Om. Today we will just do Shanti Mantra, Sahana Vavatu, and then have our Vijay ji chanting Dhyana Shlokas. Gurudev is more famous for his Jnana, Gita Jnana Yajnas. Gita Jnana Pracharakaya Namaha. So we thought we will do whole Gita Stotram, and then we'll give it over to Satyaji. Let us all chant the Shanti Mantra of Yajurveda. Sahana Vavatu. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om Samasta Jana Kalyane Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahma Vidvaram Sadgurum Brahma Vidvaram. Hari Om. Shiva, are you going to display? Share the. No? Okay.
Hariam Sukanyaji, so you want me to do the whole thing or some?
I think you said in mute, Sukanyaji. He did not do.
First and the last. First and the last? Okay. Sorry, okay. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Soyam Vyasena Grathitam Puranamunina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamrutavarsinim Bhagavatim Astadasadhyayinim Ambatva manusandhadhami Bhagavad Gite Bhavadvesini. Can you move a little bit down, the English one? Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marutaha Stunvanti Divyaistavai Vedai Sangha Padakramo Panisadai Gayanti Mam Yam Samaga Dhyana Vasishtha Tadgatena Manasa Pasyanti Yam Yogina Yasyantam na vidu sura suragana Devaya tasmai namaha Devaya tasmai namaha.
Hari Om. Thank you, Vijayji. Very good. I know. I had told you that all the 9 shlokas you will be chanting. But sorry, maybe some other time. Today, this time was very less. Thank you very much. It was very good.
Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha Saraswatyai Namaha Gurubhyo Namaha Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namaste to pranams to all the acharyas, all the gurus, Gurudev, Guruji, Swami Chinmayanandaji and our Dhiranandaji. At their feet I am doing my pranams on this day. What a beautiful puja. This was so serene, so sattvic. I enjoyed every minute of it. The way they placed the people one after the other, what a coordination. And they, over Gayatri, I think, she or Bindu, I think they included everybody, all the kids. This is the beautiful teamwork. Thank you so much for it. So happy Mother's Day to all of you. And Amma, we call Amma, right? Some people call Amma, mother. It is a Parabrahma Pada. And for example, when a cow gives a calf, birth to a calf, nobody teaches the calf what to say. It says Amba. See, Amba is nothing but the Amba Maheshwari, the great Maheshwari. And the Tadbhava Rupa of Amba is nothing but Amma. That's what we call Amma. And in a school, one day, in one school, the children, a teacher asked all the children to write an article about their mom, their Amma. I'm going to use Amma. Amma is the proper one. Okay. So, not mom, mummy. For the Mother's Day special, 250 words or something like that, they had to write. All the kids became very happy because this is the easiest way to write about their mom. So some people write 10 pages, some people wrote 50 pages, and there was one girl, about 15-year-old girl. Unfortunately, she had lost her mom when she was 5-year-old. At that time, when the body was taken, she was holding on to the mother. The only thing that she could hold on to her was a small piece of her sari. And she kept that sari, piece of sari, and that sari became the representative for her mom. She used to keep her in the pillow every day, and she felt the presence of her mom. And she had a picture of her mom, and she came and stood in front of the picture with the white paper and the pen and said, "Amma, the teacher has asked me to write an essay on you. What can I write about you? Should I write, you fed me, you gave me milk, and you told me how to walk. You told me how to say it, how to talk, everything. What should I say?" And she started crying. And tears start coming down from her eyes like anything. The white paper completely became wet and it became completely crumpled and all. She said she is not going to write anything. If the moment she starts writing, she is going to cry. So she came to the school next day. All the children had brought their essays. Some people had written 50 pages, 10 pages, 20 pages. They all kept it in front of the teacher, all put it there. And the girl also put her white pager, nothing written. Along with that, the teacher went on one after the other. And he said, first 50 pages, 20 pages. He said, oh, it's very good and all. He gave some marks. He had told the marks will be 10 marks, which will be applied to the exam. And some people got 5, 6 and all. Then he came to the paper with the white paper only. There is nothing written. He said, who's this? Whose paper it is? Then the girl comes and says, that is mine. I said, why you have not written anything? What is? She comes close to the teacher and says, I cannot write anything. The moment I start writing about my mother, I start crying. And the whole white paper, you can see, it became so crumbled and it drenched with my tears. The teacher, you do not have to give me 10 marks. Forget about it. Then the teacher said, you know what? You deserve 10 marks. And he gives 10 marks. And gives to her 10 for 10. And all the kids, other people who wrote 50 pages, 10, 20 pages, they were surprised. They asked some of them, teacher, why it's a blank paper she gave and you gave 10 marks? And for me, I have written so many things and I were my mom, and you are giving me 5, 6 and things like that. The teacher says, what have you written? Some people you have written, how tall is your mom? What color is your mom? Or somebody has written that my mother learned karate so that my dad is always afraid of her hereafter nowadays. And somebody wrote, my mother every day gets up with a big headache. At 7:30, her headache will go as soon as we leave the home. You haven't understood mom at all. This is the girl who has understood what is mom. So that is why I give her this mom, Matrudevo Bhava, Matrudevo Namaha, Matrubhyo Namaha. There is no word you can explain. Impossible. And as Hari said, Pitru Runa. This is one of the runas which we cannot easily give away and all. And the modern people we call as mom and all. And sometimes they call Doddamma as Mag's mom and Chinnamma as mini mom and all. You know what? Amma is the best one. It is a universal name everywhere. In the entire world, any language you take, it is mom only. And another thing I want to tell, my 2 daughters also call Sukanya as mom, but sometimes when they want to talk so nicely, so closely, with their heart, they switch over to Kannada and say, Amma, they use Amma at that time. And for me also, when they use Anna, that means they are talking from their heart. So, such a beautiful day, Matrubhyo Namaha. I pranams to all the mothers and have a wonderful time, a wonderful day. And what a great combination. Gurudev's Jayanti, Gurudev was born yesterday, May 8, 1916 or so. And Mother's Day is today. It's a beautiful combination. Enjoy. Thank you very much. Right.
On this occasion,
Okay. Hold on. Okay, go ahead.
on this auspicious day, I want to share this. This is old Tapovana Prasad book. Actually new one, 2016 May. He's here. Like Tapovana Swamiji's Gurudev's Ashtottara. Who composed it? It is composed by Guruji, Swami Tejomayanandji, and Swami Shantanandji, who is in New Jersey. Shantanandji. Both of them composed the Ashtottara Shatanamavali. And here, Guruji talks about Bharata Gauravaya Namaha. Bharata Gauravaya Namaha. And the new one, if you all have a chance to read, our Swami Swarupanandaji, the present head of Chinmaya Mission now, has talked about Krutatmane Namaha. It's beautiful explanation. Please read that. But now I want to read this Om Bharata Gauravaya Namaha. That means who brought in who is the I want to read the same words given here. Who brought, who revived, the names of Bharata Gauravaya Namaha. Well, it doesn't say anything. Well, who is the pride of Bharata? Who brought in that, what do you call the exact word, Gaurava, honor to the Bharata, like Bhagavad Gita is spread all over the world and because of him. And here, each name is a gem and the deep thoughts embedded in them have been brought out by various acharyas, especially Swami Mitrananda and Swami Nikhilananda. You get a chance that you read every name, they have given explanation how Gurudev deserves that name is exactly appropriate for his. One of the names is Om Bharata Gauravaya Namaha. Pujya Gurudev revived Sanatana Dharma and brought the message of the scriptures and the Bhagavad Gita to the common man. That is the most important one. See, when he had to ask Tapovanji Maharaj a couple of times to get permission, because he wanted to spread our scriptures so well, Tapovanji thought nobody will be interested. And then he became very happy after some first Jnana Yagna when Gurudev goes back to Tapovanji Maharaj, and then he's very happy. So go ahead, he says, he blesses. Before that also, of course, without his permission, Gurudev didn't want to do it after getting. So Puja Gurudev revived Sanatana Dharma and brought the message of the scriptures and the Bhagavad Gita to the common man. Moreover, he lived to be an embodiment of the Hindu culture. That is most. You can spread. If you are not doing it yourself, that doesn't work at all. It's like politicians give speeches and they are not following what they are talking. So here, Swamiji, he lived to be an embodiment of the Hindu culture, a brilliant and vibrant example of all that is best in Sanatana Dharma. Whatever is our scripture says, he followed. Truly, he could be called the pride of the nation. That's what that means. The pride of the nation. Om Bharata Gauravaya Namaha. Hari Om. Yeah, I think we are on time. Anybody wants to we have 2 more minutes. Anybody want to sing anything or share some of their thoughts with us is fine. Otherwise, Shiva, it's you and Balaji. 3:38. Okay. Sir.
Sugnya ji, unmute.
Dukha bhag bhavet praying for the health of everybody. Let us chant Mrityunjaya mantra also. Om Triambakam yajamahe sugandhim pushtivardhanam urvarukamiva bandhanan mrityormukshiya mamrutat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Hari Om. Thank you.
Thank you, Suganya-ji and Satya-ji, for all the thoughtful messages. We'll quickly run through the announcements. I'm going to run through the calendar so that way we all can see what's going on. Before I start, thank you again for the Tapovanam children and the Chinmayam class children. Wonderful job, and thank you Gayatri-ji and Bindu-ji for all the coordination, and Harshini as well, and all the teachers. Thank you again. Okay, so let's look at the calendar. The first one I want to bring out is the 105th Jayanti celebrations. It's going on from yesterday. Hopefully, I mean, it was advertised quite a bit, and I'm sure you've seen it over and over. All of you, if you've been missing out, go to the Chinmaya channel and look at it. It's excellent. You know, again, the way they coordinated and the way the introduction happened yesterday and today, you know, continued on chapter 7. It's so beautiful. So all of you, we would highly encourage you. I know it's in the evening in the Indian Standard Time, but it's in the morning for us at 9:45. If you can log in at 9:40, you get to see it. And again, if you're missing out, you can go back and I think it's recorded and you can see it. I would highly recommend. Again, it's on chapter 7 and beautifully explained. So that's where I want to start. So that is, it started yesterday and it goes on for, in fact, till the 25th of May. So all of you, like I said, the weekdays you cannot log in, at least you can go back and look at it. And then the next one is the Bhagavad Gita competition awards and the trophies. I know we sent a link out yesterday and like Shivaji said, not many people signed up. So this is your opportunity. Still the time is there. I think we set it up till 7 p.m. today. If you can go and sign up and get your awards, go in as a family and then try to collect it from Shivaji. Please do it because the participation has been very minimal and Shivaji is carrying the entire pack. So we want everything to be distributed out. So that way the children can see it and that can be the gift they can show to their mom today. if you're not already given out the flowers or the hugs, you know, this will be the other one. So please, all of you, talk to Shivaji or go to the link we already sent and you can sign up. And then the next one is next 2 weekends, Sundays, we will not have adult class. Instead, we have special ones. So these are the annual day celebration. So it starts exactly at the same time, 2:30, and it goes till 3:45, 4 o'clock. So it'll be over 2 weekends like we did last year. It'll be on the 16th as well as on the 23rd. So we will see on the 16th, a couple of classes participating and the 23rd, remaining classes participate. So all of you mark your calendars. So we need all of the families and your friends and everyone to log in. So it's going to be open and we'll send the links out. So all of you, please participate. And we need a lot of participation for the full encouragement for what the kids have learned and what they've been working with the teachers. Because I see a lot of emails and everything. The teachers have been working with the children. Please, all of you, we want you all to join and we really want to see what they've learned and what they're going to come up. Okay, because this is all being remote and I know the kids are so good. So I'm really excited to see what they're going to come up with. So again, that's on the 16th and the 23rd. And like I mentioned, on the 22nd, it's the Tilak ceremony. So again, the graduating Chinmayam class, you saw them, they were chanting they coordinated the Mother's Day celebrations. So they are the ones who are graduating. So we need all of you, because it's going to be open for everyone, because it's an online event. So we'll send out the links and please mark your calendars. It's on the 22nd at 3 p.m. All of you join. It's an excellent ceremony. So especially with the children, you can watch and you can see how it goes on. So that's another thing. Please mark your calendars. So with that, so that's in May. And then the 30th will be the long weekend. So we will not be meeting on the 30th. So it's going to be a break for everyone. So I'll just stop right there. And yeah,
so,
go ahead.
Balaji, so in June, we have classes, right?
Yes, we will have classes.
Okay. So I want to announce that we will be starting the second chapter. It will be kind of introduction. And so nobody should miss it, because many times people feel that is where Gita starts. So yeah, so don't miss those classes. And
awesome.
We will have a good annual day. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you. Shiva, open to you.
What about adults or anything they're doing? It can be surprise for us. But
we'll try to reach out to them. And again, good thing you brought up Sukanya ji. So please, any of you, this is again a volunteer opportunity. Please text us, or you can send an email to us. So if you're interested. Otherwise, like we said, we're going to pick out, and your name is going to come up on the list to see what you'll be doing.
Just like today Harshini did, you just one of you take the initiative and coordinate with any idea.
Sure. Thank you.
Balaji, one point too, that for the annual days next weekend, all the teachers, please encourage your class children also to attend the annual day program, because the children are showcasing for other children also. So ask them to join at 2:30 every class, including the children. So
and also please inform all your friends and non-members are welcome, so that they see how we are doing. And that would be a good publicity also for our Balavihar program. Please invite all your friends, relatives, whoever is interested. It is Zoom, so sit and watch at your convenient, comfortable seat. Yeah.
Yep. Thank you, Sukanya. It's always good to see what they learn, and from the kids' standpoint, how they come out and they express themselves, and it's so beautiful. Thank you. I think now,
grandparents from India can zoom in.
I just would like to add 2 announcements in addition to what Balaji mentioned. First thing is, I want to request all IT professionals who are part of the Frederick chapter, if they can assist our website administration, some flyers development, all IT related tasks. If you feel you have the skill set in that area, and if you want to do Seva for Chinmaya Mission, I would like to request all the IT people to come forward and reach out to me, Balaji, or Hari. We are looking for, we already have a web Sevika, but we are looking for some more hands. And, I request all of you to come forward and join hands with us, so that, we all can work together and to achieve Gurudev's vision and, Chinmaya Mission motto. And the second thing, and the last one I wanted to mention.
Sure, 1 second. Just while you are on the topic, there is an urgent need for a person who has experience in AWS architecture. AWS architect. Anybody has AWS experience? There's a very urgent need as of today itself. So please touch base with me.
Thank you, Hari. Yeah, so there's a Amazon Web Services. Whoever has got cloud experience, please come forward and let us know. The second and last thing I wanted to mention is about the, so once we are coming close to the Balavihar academic year closure, what comes to our mind, right? Summer camp, and then after that we will have the Balavihar registration process. So the registration system for 2021 and 2022 will be ready within a week or 2 maximum. We will be able to announce on Balavihar Annual Day 1 or Annual Day 2. We will release the link for registration process. And I know something new is going to come this year. We are going to include the Sanskritam class. The Sanskritam is for all age, children, adults, everyone. And we'll start from alphabets and basic Sanskrit words and simple conversation and all the stuff. So just wanted to request everybody to take this opportunity, which will help you a lot to understand the Bhagavad Gita, the stotras, whatever you learn. It will make your life, instead of walking 10 miles, if you walk 5 miles, you will achieve the goal. So that much Sanskritam can help you. Please share with everybody so that we can share that knowledge with everybody, children and adults. So thank you. Hari Om.
Good news.
So open to the floor. Want to say anything?
Shivaji, a question on the Sanskrit class.
Mhm.
When is it going to start, you said?
Can you repeat the question again?
When is it going to start, the Sanskrit class?
Mostly that will be from September only. Once we have the open house, the Balavihar open house in September, of the first Sunday after the Ganesh Puja, from that time only, it just follows the Balavihar calendar year. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Hari Om Shivaji, I have a question. Who will be taking Sanskrit class, Shivaji? Who will be the instructor?
Suspense. That's going to be suspense.
Thank you.
Teacher is in training right now.
Thank you.
So to answer your question, Shobhaji, we have some students in our group who are here, took the classes undergone under Swami Ramakrishnanandaji, batch 1, batch 2, batch 3. He conducted 3 classes, each one 3 months long. So they have taken training, they have material, they have some skill set. We are not, kind of newbies. So people are very learned people, skillful people, and we have some good database to share with. So that much.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
And please encourage the children. It will be very easy. And also in Montgomery County, they have Sanskrit. They will get some credit if they pass the exam. Probably we can motivate the primary and middle school children to join here. And I'm not sure whether Frederick County has got that.
Yes, they have received it. Yeah, Sanskrit, they have received it. Yeah, SBAT is doing it. Yeah. Thank you.
Exactly, Shobhaji. Hari Om, Shivaji, quick question about the Balavihar classes for next year. Are we going to start on site or do you plan to first start remote?
Yeah, so for now, that's a good question, Sirishaji. So for now, we don't know how the situation is going to be starting from September. Based on the Biden administration, we are expecting that they want to vaccinate as many people as possible and open everything after July. But we don't know how the situation is going to be around the world, not only in US, right? So we are getting ready for on-site. But in the event if something is not in favor of us, we will be able to continue the same way what we are doing today. Yeah.
Thank you.
I request all of you to share and encourage people to join Chinmaya Mission. Each family bring one family, and let everybody get advantaged and benefited from these programs like what we are enjoying. See, it's 352 and nobody is dropping. 32 are still here. What is the reason for that? Satsangatve Nisangatvam. They don't want to lose this group here. And they want to listen to each other. It's not that, I'm not exaggerating, but this is the fact. If you agree, all of us. So share the same news with everyone, ask everyone to join and get the benefit of this. Ram Branded Ji, their children went to Balavihar, 30 years old, and he's still here teaching Balavihar children. There are many people like that. So
Yeah.
I just want to give an example, not to highlight him, but so I just want to let everybody know how things will be in Chinmaya Mission.
Soma and Sangamesh, anything about Gita Dut you want to say?
Yeah, Hari Om all. Yes, Sukanya ji, I have few books that I actually distributed 8 of them yesterday, including the list from Sangamesh ji, my list over here, and I do have few, and we both are basically just now it's open to all. We are basically just marketing and doing the publicity to all friends and families here.
So anybody wants, they can go to website and there is a free copy of, there is a link where you can sign up. There's a form, fill it up.
Yeah,
and if, even if you
If they cannot find the form, I can also send it, forward it.
Okay, yeah, that's what, need to fill up a form and then they will tell you where to pick up and from where you can pick up, or they will be delivered to the place.
Hari Om Somaji. So as I was mentioning yesterday, one of our friends, she wanted to find out if some of her friends from New Jersey and Pennsylvania can get it. So I will get her in touch with you.
Yes, yeah. Can you please ask her to email me if you can?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I will.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, because she was not sure if other centers are also distributing. So she wanted to get the details. Okay, I'll get her in touch with you.
Just want to add to that. If they are not around Washington, D.C., from the chapter, we have to redirect them to the other chapters. They are doing the same thing like what we are doing.
Yeah, that's why if she can get in touch with Soma can direct her.
Yeah, okay.
Because I don't want to be like, I don't know where to go. So I told her I'll get her in touch with Soma.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Shivaji. Thank you so much.
Hariom, Siva and Sukanya ji, I know like still people are here. Today is Gurudev Jayanti. I was just thinking, if there is few minutes people want to stay back, can I can sing the Gurudeva Tava Mahaniya Krupa, that bhajan. I didn't think about that, but suddenly I just realized, we are out of time. If there is time, I can sing that one.
It's up to Shiva and Balaji. We are always love to listen.
Whoever wants to drop, they will drop. But whoever wants to stay back, they
stay back. Yeah,
can stay.
That's a good one. Yeah.
Right, thank you.
Go ahead.
It's not binding for others. They can feel, it's up to them. But we'll be here for a couple of people. Just please go ahead.
Okay, thank you. I know this one, our Krishna Priya sings so well. So I'll just try to sing. Gurudeva Tava Mahaniya Krupa, Gurudeva Tava Mahaniya Krupa, मेरे जीवन का अवलंबन है, मेरे जीवन का अवलंबन है, बस एक यही मेरा बल है, गुरुदेव तब महनीय कृपा, गुरुदेव तब महनीय कृपा, अज्ञान भरे संशय से भरे विपरीत विचारों से भी भरे, अज्ञान भरे संशय से भरे विपरीत विचारों से भी भरे, मन के अंधकारों को दूर करे वचनामृत से तब बोध कृपा, वचनामृत से तब बोध कृपा, गुरुदेव तब महनीय कृपा, पल पल पग पग जीवन पथ पर गुरु साथ मेरे रक्षक बन कर, पल पल पग पग जीवन पथ पर गुरु साथ मेरे रक्षक बन कर, विसरो न कभी यह प्रेममयी आनंदमयी भवदीय कृपा, आनंदमयी भवदीय कृपा, गुरुदेव तब महनीय कृपा, गुरुदेव तव महनीय कृपा गुरुदेव तव महनीय कृपा. Thank you.
Yeah, while everyone is there, when you pick up the Gita chanting trophies, you are going to get the summer camp flyer physical copy also. So please look at the details and try to register as soon as you can. I recommend everyone to register. Really, I want every one of the kids, every family. Thank you, Bijayji. You are the first one who registered from Frederick chapter, actually. You enrolled Samir. Yeah, thank you. And I really request everyone and encourage everyone, strongly encourage everyone to register and make use of this wonderful opportunity. From next year onwards, we won't be able to have that satsang with Swamiji every day. It's like the most valuable thing that we can give to our kids. Next year onwards, we will have our own camp. Not that our camp won't be good, but this is a special opportunity which kids are getting to spend every day 1 hour with Swamiji, question and answer, Ramayana stories, and Purvi will be teaching the bhajans. So it is going to be really wonderful for the kids. They will enjoy and learn a lot. In the whole Balavihar knowledge, they will get within that summer camp actually. Within that 4 weeks, they're going to be well equipped with Ramayana stories and wisdom also.
And Bhagavad Gita also, right?
Bhagavad Gita, they would have been ready for the competition. So 18 minutes of, yeah, they're nicely organizing it and really so many meetings are going on. So I know in detail what is going on. So I really encourage and recommend everyone to join. Thank you so much. Hari Om.
Good, Gayatri.
Yeah, thank you, Gayatri.
Yeah, good.
Now on that note,
Every time we should announce that.
Yeah, we should be projecting that flyer as well, Balaji ji. Next week, if we can, before our annual day, before or
We'll do it.
after the annual day, just we can, both the summer camp flyers we can just display.
Yeah,
and along with the summer camp, the Mahasamadhi camp is another one. It's open as well. So again, it's hosted by CMWRC. And if you do by end of May, you get some discount as well. But I will highly encourage all of you to join that. And it's only for 3 or 4 days. I think it starts from July, end of July, going into August. So please, that's another thing. Yeah, we'll do that. Okay. Thank you.
Hari Om. Thank you all.
Thank you all.
Thank you. Hari Om.
Thank you, Hari Om. Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Thank you. Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day to all the
Happy
mothers.
Mother's Day to all.
Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day. Hari Om.
ಬಿಂದು ಬಿಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ?
ನಿಮ್ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಂತ.
ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Certification from you.
It is good. I saw it.
Yeah,
Paduka
Binduji, your
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ
altar
ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ.
was also really nice. It was like a temple, nicely.
Yeah.
Binduji.
You know
nicely decorated.
how we used to do Paduka Puja at Sandipni Ashram. There are so many people, devotees come, and at least average once a week we used to have. It is always in Gurudev's Kutia. It's like maybe half a block from. So we always have competition. From there to the Saraswati Nilayam where the puja happens, we used to carry it on our head.
Yeah.
So and the rest of us will chant Guru Bhajan and take in procession. It was so good. And sometimes there is competition. This one girl one time, before the 10 o'clock, we were supposed to go and pick it up. She went at 9 o'clock and picked it up because she wanted to take it. So it was a big issue. So it used to be very fun, like a devotional experience, spiritual experience. I just wanted to share that with you.
Nice to see all 3 padukas were there. All the 3 sets of padukas. That was nice.
Yep.
Yeah. And Balaji, it was my mistake. Actually, I was trying to remove spotlight or something. I muted Vardu.
Yeah, I know. I realize. That's okay. No.
I'm going to tell him I forgot.
No worries.
Oh, but he came back and he started from.
Yeah, he recognized it, so he unmuted.
Yeah,
He
that's
recognized
good.
it. But he was watching luckily. So
So
I was frantically trying to unmute him, and then I couldn't do it.
Yeah, he is good. If I were him, I would have chanted whole the poem.
Yeah, with closed eyes. That too, when you memorize, you will close your eyes and chant as.
You all, thank you.
But one thing I have to tell you, it was nice to have all the list, so we knew who was coming next. We were keeping them ready. It wasn't very hard. It was very good, actually.
Very good, very smoothly.
Excellent.
Yeah, smooth, right? Very peacefully it was done.
Yeah,
Everything was
Gayatri,
so
Bindu,
peaceful.
wonderful job. Wonderful job.
Thank you, Sukanyaji.
Who did spotlight? Satya is asking.
Balaji, Hari, and Shivaji.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. Everything. Oh, yeah, all of you. Wonderful. So well it went with so many people participating.
Yeah, we had the list together from Gayatri ji and Bindu ji. It was so helpful. And we were going back and forth, round. That was good.
Plus, everybody put their name correctly. That was the best part of it today, actually. We didn't have to ask anybody to do anything. We could see them in the list, get the spotlight them ready just before the previous person finishes, remove the spotlight. It worked very well because we had
They sent the instructions very well. Gayatri. Yeah.
That is, this is a nice thing for us to have it like that. If we have for every program, it's very easy to figure out who is where and get them ready beforehand. Yeah. It went very smoothly. And they were also ready. All the children know. Muting, unmuting, they do. No problem.
And for practices also, how nicely, I didn't expect that much respectful behavior from Tapovanam kids. They were so respectful.
Again, Gayatri ji.
Because they're getting older, right? They feel shy to show that respect. Not that they are not respectful, but they won't be expressive with showing that respect. But
Most of them grew up with Chinmaya Mission, I think. Looks like the list is.
That's right. They started from preschool.
Yeah,
So
nicely done.
Yeah. That is nice.
Thank you.
But thank you. I know a lot of hard work, Gayatri ji, working with the children and make sure they pronounce it well. So nice.
Very well.
Bindu ji, I know with the adults also it's a challenge, and thank you, Bindu ji.
Very big challenge, yeah.
Yeah, adults, since I wanted to pick all new people, I think they get the words. I had to train them with the words also. Sometimes some of them cannot even pronounce. After that, it was like the tune, the tune is difficult for me.
It's really hard.
It's okay.
For,
whichever way they chant is fine.
No, they all did very well, Bindu. Very good.
Yeah, they did good. Yeah.
How nicely they picked
Very
up the
nice.
right
Yeah, it is-
pronunciation. Yeah.
That too, what happens if they read it in English? Oh, I can read. That is the thing. But the pronunciation will be different. But they all did very well.
Yeah, that's what when I had the practice session, there was some mispronunciation, then I had to re-record and send it to them so that they can pronounce it correctly. And then they were all very sincere to call back and check with me. That was nice.
Nice, yeah.
So that way they could correct it also.
Yeah.
No, kudos to you, Bindu ji, for pulling all the new families.
New families.
That was very
So
nice.
that way, everybody will learn it.
All those things.
Everybody will learn it, and it was suggestion from Shiva Garu.
Yeah, good suggestion.
And next time,
Rotating this one, actually, we have to keep rotating and remove the old people and keep new people.
Yeah. Because everybody can learn it then. It is
Not
for
remove,
everyone.
Shiva, not remove. Keep the old one and bring in the new. I'm just joking.
People have to think that when should I get an opportunity? That is how we have to create an environment.
I know.
Yeah.
I know what you mean.
Satya ji, you're going to say something.
Yeah.
next time, I want to know, that it looks very awkward. I mean, I don't mention the names properly. Is it Bindu or Gayatri or who did and all? I want to be more official. So please include me in that circle. Who did what and all.
Just like we got the list.
Sometimes, when we mention thank you and you did a good thing and all.
Oh, yeah,
I want to do a proper.
I sent it to Sukanya ji. I missed it to copy you in the first.
I was telling Gayatri, I know only these two, but there may be other.
No, Satya ji.
Involved
Satya ji.
And I want to be.
No, it is not necessary at all. All of us are doing service to the Lord. to Gurudev.
No, no, Satyaji.
Just thank you.
No, Satyaji, you hit the right people, so we are good. Gayatriji and Bindu, we are good. They cover everybody.
They, in our ashram, they used to start a new book, and Acharya, and he used to say, do you know who wrote this book? I was the first one, Shankaracharya. I was 99%, I was always correct.
Just to say Adi Shankaracharya.
Shankaracharya. I mean, every book
like
is
that, Binduji Gayatri.
yeah, that is why I use their names.
Sukanya ji also, Papam, with all that, she was in Savi's house and she attended the practice.
No, you told, you know, just
thank you so
at least
much,
that
Sukanya
I
ji.
should
I
do, I
didn't
thought.
even know that you were there in, with your grandkid. I didn't know that. Really, thank you so much for joining the practice.
Yeah, the list actually we circulate to everybody, so they have the list of names.
Yep.
Just like we got at the end. That's good enough. Yeah. That's what you will know who are all there in the list.
Yeah. Thank you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It was wonderful.
Now annual day, looking forward.
Somebody is entering now.
No.
Only exit now.
Yeah, I have to go to the shloka class also.
Okay.
Okay, Hari Om, Hari Om.
Hari Om. Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.